I am here to show you a quick tutorial on one of my favorite seaming methods. I'm not sure if there's a name for it, but all you really need is, the yarn, scissors, and a tapestry needle. This is also one of my latest designs, the Forever Fall headband. It is crocheted, so this is going to be really easy for me to show you. We're going to seam this edge with this edge. This seam can be done with the right side facing. Every time I seam, I always like to have like 3 times the length of whatever I'm seaming. So 3 times the length. And sometimes I throw in a little bit extra just in case. But usually I don't need it. Okay, so thread the tapestry needle, Avi. And here we go. So I'm gonna take both ends here, and we're gonna be working into the little, in between the little V's. So those little posts, I don't even think they're called posts, but like on the top part, on the edges, on both sides. So the first stitch is probably gonna be a little bit weird, but we will build a method. So sometimes I like to join the edge together and then start this so they're automatically like together. Okay, so the next one, we will go, this is kind of hard to do on the camera. Pull through that and then go back to the top part. Back to the bottom. See, now that we've got it attached, we can build a rhythm. Whoop! Hit the camera. So professional. Oh, the air conditioner came off now. I didn't even notice that was on. It's probably washing this out too, the coloring. I hope this kind of clears some things up though. So you can get an idea. So, okay, so the top part there. Stop blowing it out, camera. That's the part that I already sewed. Yeah, okay, the next one is right there. I was trying to do it through the camera, but I can't see that way. So you can see the next one is right here. Through the camera isn't impossible. So you just flip-flop back and forth all the way down. And it's going to look like this on one side, the right side, and then the wrong side. So it basically looks the same on both sides. I love it.